If you're a writer and you'd like to organize all of your research as well as the work that you're currently busy with, I've got a tool for you. Today I'm going to show you how to use MilaNote as a writer, and I'm going to show you how you can stay inspired as well as organized. So let's check it out. So if you are a writer, you may need some inspiration at times, okay? So it doesn't always just come, sometimes you need some inspiration. So we're going to go here now on our homepage, we're going to create a new board. We're going to click down and drag it over, and here she is now. You can go ahead and name this. So let's name this creative writing. And within here, once you click on it, on the left-hand side, you can customize your icon. So of course, you can have it whatever you want, and you can also customize the color. So we're going to go ahead and make it orange. Now, once you double click it, you enter your board. Now there's two ways of creating your board. You can create it from blank, and this means you start from the beginning, and it's awesome. This allows you the opportunity to create something that works specifically for you. However, if you are wanting to use a template, you can go and do so. Now, if you don't find something here, you can just say more templates, and you can just type in what you are wanting to have a template about. So let's just say like content writing, there's website content, marketing content plan. So it depends on what it is exactly that you would like to add in here. So for example, we've got a creative brief. Let's use this one over here. Now, as you can see, this is what the template looks like. Okay, so if you just select this over here, you want to keep this content in here and click on use this template. This template now will be yours. You can now customize this to your liking. So you have a client, you can add all the information here about the client. You can have a look at the background, but again, you can take this and you can change the content. All right, so you can add images, you can add videos. On the left hand side, you can add notes, links, you can add a to-do list, and all you need to do is click down and actually just drag it over, and it just will add itself over here. So you can do so literally. If you go into here, you can add audio, video, images, maps, sketches, different color cards, complete documents. So you can really implement everything over here. If this was helpful, you can go ahead and drop us a like, and we'll see you next time. Peace.